Now let's discuss about bubble charts using 3 variables to include inside our chart. And the bubble chart actually is an extension of the XY scatter chart. So when we say XY scatter chart, it's just more of a plotting of the X and Y coordinates. So this is the X coordinate and then this is the Y coordinate over here, plotting in here different points based on your data. The difference with the bubble chart is there's going to be a third variable to each point in the XY scatter chart. So let me just explain this in detail. So for example, if you have a scatter chart, right, that shows the relationship between the age of the house over here and then its proximity to the city, and then we want to add the value of the house as well to include that information inside our chart, this is actually our third variable, then a bubble chart will be useful to help you there. So how it's represented over here is the value of the house, right? This one, the third variable, will determine the size of the bubble. So which means the larger the value, then the larger the bubble on how it's represented over here, right? So the positioning of the bubble itself is represented by the age of the house for your X coordinate, and then the kilometers or proximity to the city, that's represented on the Y coordinate. So which is why you could see the bubbles being positioned at different places in this bubble chart. And then the size, right, of the bubble would now be dependent on the value over here. Okay, so this is our final output. So let's just delete this, right? So let's now create our bubble chart. And what we want to do first is select the entire table that contains our data. Go to Insert. Let's go to Recommended Charts. Okay, so to be able to look for a bubble chart, let's go to XY the scatter, right? And then let's select bubble, and you could see here that we already have the bubble chart in here. Just go OK, right? And then let's just make some modifications over here. Let's go to Axis, right? And then we want to see the primary horizontal over here. So this is type in here, age of house. Right, and then let's add as well another title over here as KMs to city, right? And let's just delete the title that we don't need, and now you have your bubble chart ready.
G'day, it's John Micheludis here, the Chief Inspirational Officer and founder at MyExcelOnline.com, and I hope that you enjoyed this video that we just showed you. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. It just lets us know to create more of the same Excel videos for you so you can get better at Excel. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get new Excel videos each and every week. And finally, we want you to join our flagship online Excel course. It's called the My Excel Online Academy, and you get all of our Excel courses. You get our Excel beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses. We go through over 500 Excel videos, which teach you formulas, macros, VBA, pivot tables, Power BI, Power Query, Power Pivot, charts, formatting, access, and much more, because we add new videos each and every month. You also can download all our Excel workbooks and keep so you can practice, and you also get a certificate of course completion. Plus, you're going to get 6 bonuses when you sign up to our Academy course. You get our dedicated teacher support. You get access to all our Excel webinars. You get quarterly live Q&As. You can join our private Facebook group. You also join our private Excel forum, and we're also going to mail out to you an exclusive Academy welcome pack. So if you want to get better at Excel and stand out from your peers and stand out from the crowd so you can get noticed by top management and receive the promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click below in the description and join the My Excel Academy online course so you can get better at Excel today.